This is the SnoCleat PBR, an all-in-one, all-aluminum snow guard that comes pre-assembled. A snow guard is designed to hold the snow and ice on metal roofing, distributing the weight evenly and letting it melt gradually, protecting anything that may be below. Despite it being a screw-down snow guard, this specific design needs zero silicone due to the neoprene gasket underneath it, which acts as a barrier to protect from any roof leaks. The SnoCleat PBR also has 6 pre-drilled holes for 6 points of attachment, making this one of the most heavy-duty snow guards on the market. The SnoCleat PBR also has the ability to have a color strip slid in the front face, matching your panel below. Installing the SnoCleat PBR is very simple, no mess. You place on the panel and screw it down. For wood purlins, you will be getting a 2-inch wood screw. For metal, you will get an 1.5 inches.